in order for us to move forward, I'm just going to quickly jump outside of Dreamweaver and explain a few basic things. First of all, a website is a collection of basic files that link to each other. So for example, we've got homepage up here, about us, services, documents, contact and tips. These would be basic HTML files, so that would be about us.html, services.html, etc. These files, although they're independent, will actually link together inside Dreamweaver for this to work. Under services, we've got a page. We may have a page called web design or technical writing, for example. This could be a Flash or a Swift file which is embedded inside HTML file. And document 1, document 2, document 3 can be a collection of various images. Now, in order for this to work together, they would need to be able to link together accurately. So in other words, if we have a broken link inside Dreamweaver, we will have problems. So just to take this one step further, what you would need is one folder where we put all of our files inside. So we refer to this as a site folder, or a local root folder in web technical terms. It's basically a main folder which contains all the files. So if we have a look at this, here's a simple example. Inside this folder we have another folder called images. We'll obviously have index.html, we need this, and we'll have a few Dreamweaver files associated. So we'll have a CSS, couple of CSS styles, cascading style sheets, some HTML pages, and of course all of our independent pages. So we'll have home HTML, about HTML, service HTML, documents HTML, contact HTML, tips HTML inside this folder, looking something like this. We then can have example Swift files, so we'll have a file that looks like this inside this folder as well. Now, in order for our website to work, these folders will need to, these pages would need to be stored in a site folder. We can link to a page outside our website, which is not a problem, but what I'm referring to is a basic web structure of an actual website that we will create or demonstrate and show you how to create and develop. So I want you to start by creating a basic folder, an empty folder on your desktop, and what we're going to do is we're going to set this folder, which is residing on your desktop, inside Dreamweaver to point to the correct location inside Dreamweaver. Now you don't have to do this, we can still create a folder, stick it in desktop, and away we go. But there's a few tricks inside Dreamweaver that we can actually set up so Dreamweaver knows that that is our site folder and automatically really updates it based around its own file management capabilities. That's what we're going to have a look at in the next tutorial.